Hello everybody, Shawna here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. This box had a long journey. It was really delayed by weather. I think it got sent back and then it was sent again. So I've been looking forward to this box for a long time. I don't think I requested anything in particular on this one. And Stitch Fix has been a little bit hit and miss lately, so we'll see how they did this time. Okay, this is a huge box for Stitch Fix. Usually they're little tiny ones. Okay, what is in here? Okay, they sent me 2 bags to return things. All right, here's the prices, which we'll look at in a minute. Let me see who my stylist is. Sandy. It's someone I'm not familiar with. Okay, what is in here? Okay, there's the bundle, which the bundle is tiny, but what is this? Okay, I cannot actually believe that they don't send a purse or bag in every single box, because I don't know if I've ever sent one back. I buy the purses every time. Well, that's cute. It's a Herschel one. Those tend to be pretty spendy, but it's just a nice canvas, like, weekend bag. Yeah, right. Overnight. Let's call it overnight. Not a full weekend, just an overnight bag. That's the size it is. But it's cute. Oh, and it's got fun little stitching, or not stitching, but fabric on the inside. I love that. I am a sucker for bags. Okay, let's see what's in my teeny tiny little bundle. So, oh, that's cute. It feels like cashmere. Okay, it's a cashmere sweater. It is really cute. I love this. Such a classic piece. Put it on with a blazer by itself, with jeans, with slacks. Like, I hope it fits. I hope it's adorable, and I hope the price is a good value. Okay. Well, this looks familiar. So, I love this shirt, and it's because I already own it, and I think I am confident I got it from Stitch Fix. At least I think I did. I own this shirt already, and I really like it, so I'll try it on again for you. What is this? Okay, well, here is a Liverpool super stretchy, like, mini skirt? I don't know where I'd be wearing a black mini skirt. I'm not going to a job, but it's like a ponte material. It's cute, I bet. Takes me back for sure. Back to the, when did I wear black skirts like that? In the 90s for sure. Late 90s? Mid 90s? Okay, and the last thing are some Pistola jeans, and I'm not gonna lie, I think I have these as well. I do really like my Pistola jeans. I like the wash. I don't think they have a rough cut, so these might not be exactly the same. Let me just see what they say. I don't know, I'll have to pull the other ones out too, but I do really like how they fit. And they're really cute, so I'll try them on. I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, it is my style. I just happen to have them. All right, let me go try on a couple outfits. I'll be right back. All right, here's the first outfit. And even my husband said, "Don't you already have that shirt?" Wait, don't you already have those pants? When your husband notices the jeans are the same, they're so close. They're so close. I'm not gonna lie, I totally love this outfit. I love this shirt and I love the jeans. Pistolas, I think, fit really well. They're super stretchy. I like the light wash. What do you think? I don't think I need them again, except for, I think they're both a slightly bigger size, so they're fitting a little bit better right now. Would it be terrible to buy the same clothes in just a bigger size? I think you're actually supposed to go the other direction, right? Not buy bigger clothes. But it fits nice, doesn't it? All right, let me go try on the other outfit. Okay, here's the second outfit, and I really like this sweater. Am I crazy? It feels like capsule wardrobe, like it's just timeless. It goes with everything. I really like this sweater. It just is something that would be in your closet forever. And I think it's cute. Tell me what you think. It's cashmere. I wonder what the price is gonna be, but I really like the cut of it. I think it's flattering. I like the color, and the style is cute. Okay, so the black skirt. I am racking my brain remembering when I wore a stretchy black skirt for like work or like job interviews or something. I'm swearing I wore a black skirt like that, like maybe my first job out of college, late 90s, early 2000s. When did we wear these skirts? I cannot remember. It's not a pencil skirt. It's just that stretchy black skirt that we all wore. We all did. So it's a no for me. I don't have anywhere to wear a stretchy black skirt. I don't think it's particularly professional, and I wouldn't wear it casually. It's just not my style. But I think it fits nice, if it's your style. All right, and then the last thing was the bag. And the bag is cute too. My little overnight. All right, let me go change my clothes and we'll look at prices because it matters. Okay, you know what made me so happy today? I got to put sandals on. It's been really nice here this week, and I just was feeling it. I was feeling my sandals. You people who live in warm weather, stop. We treasure our multiple wardrobes. We have summer clothes and we have winter clothes, and when they can start to overlap, it makes me so happy. So I was wearing jeans and a cardigan with my sandals, but sandals nonetheless. So it was really lovely. And I hope all the weather's better for everybody else around the country too. It's been glorious in Seattle. So we'll take what we can get here early in the season. All right, let's look at prices. Okay, so, the Tote is not as bad as I thought it would be. It's 70 bucks. What do you think? I mean, I probably already have an overnight bag. Probably more than one, but it's cute. I never can pass up a bag. It's really cute. Okay. But is it worth it? Oh gosh, I don't know. I knew this would be spendy, but $128. It's cashmere. I knew it would be steep. $128. I feel like I've seen cashmere sweaters at Nordstrom for, yeah, I mean, just right around 100. I don't know. That's really cute. I'd have it forever. All right, tell me what you think about that. Okay, so then the Pistola jeans, you know it, 88 bucks. Again, mine that I have are so much like this. I probably won't get them, but I did really like them. Okay, the Liverpool skirt is 58. It's a great price. I'm just not wearing this. I don't know about you guys, but we're still pretty locked down here, so I'm not going anywhere. And again, it's not really my style, but it was comfy and flattering. My husband was so funny, I tried it on for him, and it has like little tiny pockets on it. He's like, why does that skirt have pockets? You don't even get pockets in your jeans. Why does that little weird skirt have pockets? I don't know, but I appreciate your irritation by this. Okay. Now the Daniel Rainn polka dot and stripe on the back shirt, 54. It's a good price. It's probably why I got it last time, and just because I like it. Because I like some polka dots and some stripes. Oh, actually kind of my favorite thing right now. Oh God. I like the bag. Shocker. But I do really like that sweater. Okay, I don't know what to get. You're gonna have to help me. Maybe two, well, I can't get the same things again. So it's probably between the bag and the sweater, or maybe both. All right, comment below. Let me know what you think I should get. What do you think about the prices? And yeah, tell me, have you busted out your sandals yet? All right, if you want to see more videos like these, subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to be notified every time I post new videos, hit the bell below. Thanks again. Bye.